Did you know that over 10 million people across India and around the world observe Guru Purnima every year? Yet most participate without truly understanding its spiritual power? While many celebrate it with rituals and quotes, few actually prepare their hearts and minds in the way ancient yogis once did. Guru Purnima is not just another spiritual festival. It's a sacred window to elevate your consciousness and align with grace. In a world that's rushing to be seen, Guru Purnima invites you to become still, to see. So before you buy incense or join a satsang, let's walk through 7 deeply meaningful things you should do to prepare, not just to celebrate, but to transform. First, understand the significance. Guru Purnima marks the day when Lord Shiva became the first Guru, the Adiyogi, who transmitted yogic knowledge to the Saptarishis. It's not a random full moon. It is the day the universe aligns for transmission of truth. Take time to reflect on who your Guru is, whether it's a living master, the scriptures, life itself, or even silence. Preparing for Guru Purnima begins with awareness. Awareness that you're not walking alone, that someone, seen or unseen, is holding the lamp for your path. Let this realization fill you with humility, not performance. Second, clean your space. Not just your room, but your inner space. Do a physical cleanup of the area where you'll meditate or pray. Burn camphor or light a diya. But more importantly, begin a subtle cleaning of the clutter in your thoughts. Journal. Reflect. What are you holding on to that you don't need anymore? Resentments? Fears? Doubts? Guru Purnima is a perfect time to declutter emotionally and mentally. You can't receive with a full cup. Make room for the Guru, for grace, for clarity. Third, prepare a simple offering. Not every gift to a Guru has to be gold or garlands. In fact, the most sacred offerings are born out of effort and sincerity. Consider preparing a small plate of traditional Prasad like Khichdi, Kheer, or Charnamrit. Or offer flowers you picked yourself, water you carried with intention, or a chant you learned by heart. If your Guru is not physically present, offer it mentally, with complete devotion. This isn't about the object. It's about the surrender in the act. That's what reaches the Guru. Fourth, learn and recite a mantra. One of the most powerful ways to connect with the Guru is through sound. The ancient chant, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwar, is not just a prayer. It's a recognition that the Guru is the embodiment of creation, sustenance, and transformation. Memorize it. Say it with meaning. Let your voice tremble if it has to. Mantras align your energies and help tune your being to higher frequencies. On Guru Purnima, even the vines listen a little closer. Make your sounds sacred. Fifth, silence your ego. This might be the hardest preparation of all. True reverence is not shown by prostrating at a Guru's feet. It's shown by stepping away from your own pride. Let go of the need to be right. Pause your opinions. Drop the desire to showcase your spirituality. For one day, just be clay again, ready to be molded. The Guru does not fill the cup of those who believe they're already full. Humility is not weakness. It's the doorway through which all true transformation enters. Sixth, create a sacred routine leading up to the day. Begin waking up early. Brahma Muhurta if possible. Between 3:30 and 5:30 am. Do 10 to 15 minutes of pranayam or meditation. Read sacred texts or listen to your Guru's discourses. Build this rhythm at least 7 days before Guru Purnima. The more tuned you are, the more receptive you become. Think of it as tuning your inner radio. If the Guru's grace is the broadcast, your inner stillness is the antenna. When the signal is clear, the transformation is instant. Seventh, reach out or reconnect. If you've had a falling out with someone spiritual in your life, a teacher, a friend on the path, make peace. Guru Purnima is a day of gratitude, and there's no better way to show it than by mending what's broken. If you're blessed to have a living Guru, write them a letter of thanks. If not, write one to the universe, thanking it for guiding you. Gratitude is the first language the soul ever spoke. And on this full moon of wisdom, It echoes louder than any mantra. Guru Purnima is not about rituals for ritual's sake. It is about readiness. Readiness to dissolve, to receive, to rise. It's about bowing down not out of fear, but out of overflowing recognition that without guidance, we are merely wanderers. But with the light of the Guru, we become the path itself. These 7 things are not just checklist items, they are invitations. Invitations to awaken the part of you that has been asleep not for weeks, but lifetimes. Don't waste the moonlight chasing shadows. So, as Guru Purnima approaches, don't just attend a celebration, become the celebration. Prepare not just your calendar, but your consciousness. Share this with someone walking a similar path. Comment below who has been the greatest guru in your life. And most importantly, subscribe for more deeply transformational content that honors the sacred, the silent, and the seekers. Because your journey deserves more than information. It deserves illumination.